Do you want to know everything there is to know about Miami's newest neighborhood? Well, stay tuned. I'm giving you a walking tour of the design district and a little bit of history behind how this project even happened. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, my name is Joe. I'm a real estate advisor with Compass. I have people reaching out all the time looking to make a move to Miami. So if I can help you out, my information is in the show description below. If you're looking to make a move in 9 or 90 days, reach out. I would love to help you. So we're at the Miami Design District, and this neighborhood has sort of an interesting story on how it was formed, because this area back in 2013, back in 2014, it wasn't really the nicest part of town, and all of this just didn't even exist. The story has it that Louis Vuitton wanted to expand their store in Bal Harbour Shops. They wanted to make it a 2-story, and Bal Harbour Shops said, no, what do you think you're doing? No way, we control this mall. And that didn't sit right with Arnauld, the CEO of LVMH. They own Louis Vuitton, Dior, a couple other stores. You can see they're just a major luxury player. So he said, okay, well, if you're not gonna let me expand my Louis Vuitton store to 2 stories, I'm gonna do my own thing. So in 2013, he starts to buy up all this land. He starts to buy parcel and parcel and parcel in now what is called the Design District. And so at the end of all his leases at Bal Harbour, he took all of his stores, Dior, Hermes, all the stores under LVMH. He took them out and he put them in the Design District. LVMH basically owns all the real estate here in the Design District. That's why, for example, you see 2 Louis Vuitton stores, you see 2 Dior stores. You have all of his brands all in this outdoor shopping mall. And there's even art. There's a lot of art installations. Right behind me is one of the spots that they do a lot of artist pop-ups in. For Virgil, when he passed away, they had his ceremony right behind us. They also do a lot of pop-ups throughout the year. Chanel does pop-ups here, a lot of other brands. So what makes this part of town unique? Well, this is a very up and coming area. Like I said, the land was purchased in 2013. And then over the last couple of years, they've just been expanding and expanding. There are a lot of restaurants. There's home to a lot of Michelin star and Michelin nominated restaurants. You have clothing, you have retail, you have regular restaurants like a quick serve restaurant if you just want to stop in. And I think it's a really nice part of town. I mean, there isn't really anything like this. You would have to go to Bal Harbour for the shopping. And then once this was established, this is really now our luxury shopping destination. People don't have to go to Bal Harbour anymore to shop. They're all shopping down here. All right, there you have it. This is our walking tour of the Design District. I hope that you found it helpful. And if you want any more information, reach out to me in the show description below. You'll find my contact information. I have people reaching out all the time looking to make a move. If you're looking to move in 9 or 90 days, let me know. I would love to help you out.